Welcome back to another Sewing September video. I know it's not Wednesday or Saturday, it's Friday, and I really just wanted to put this video out there before I put next week's video up, which will be a blue jean video. So, yes, it is Friday. I know last Wednesday we did pleather, but this Friday we are doing more pleather because I found out if I take painter's tape, it works a lot better. So that's what I did in this video. I'll also show you a different method of how I started doing the corsets that I ended up liking a lot better. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow and watch the rest of the playlist. So let's get on with the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy. And here's a picture of last week's corset. So it's going to look a lot different in this video. Okay, well, that's as far as I can go. So, we sewed the top right sides together, flipped it out so you have, a nice little fold. We're going to do a top stitch around the sides, and then we're going to put a few channels pretty much in each panel all the way up and stuff. This one we're gonna have to, these curvy pieces, in the last video I think I tell y'all, or I don't even think I show y'all, but I actually take these plastic pieces and I melt them to curve and to match into that curve. So I'm gonna have a few like that, and then I'm gonna have a few go straight up and another one go sideways. So yep, that's the plan. Now on the back, there's a bunch of panels and stuff that I already did. I just did not want to undo all those channels. So we're going to make channels right here and it go up right there. So it's all fine. It's whatever. And then we're going to do, you do like a channel piece, but it's for the grommets. And yeah, that's how we are doing it right now. And then we, from my understanding, you just do a top stitch at the bottom, or you can roll it underneath like that and then roll it under, and then we might just do a top stitch and bias tape at the bottom. So yeah, so that's one of the things that I did different. I did another thing different, which I did the sandwich method, which you put the top two layers together, the bottom two layers together, like the lining right sides together, and then you put those four all together. So you have wrong sides for the right side of the, or for the front side and the back side together, but you have the front sides facing each other and the back sides facing each other. I'll show you visually in the next couple of clips, but that's a second method that I did differently in the last videos. This is just a video of me doing different corset methods that I ended up liking, and I even do a totally different method using denim that ended up being really cute and it's frayed and I love it. But here's those methods all put together for the pleather, and then the denim would be another video. Alright, now we get to work on the different materials. I was honestly looking forward to the jeans, but I'm like, you know what, this pleather might seem a little bit grabby, might be a little bit too problematic. I also forgot to add in the last video, when I did the pleather, I had to switch the feet on my Singer, and I had to use this even feeder. It's by Singer. I had to use this even feeder foot in the last one. I forgot to mention it, but you attach this to your machine, and of course, like, it goes with, like, this attaches to the needle part so that the feeder dogs can, or dog feeders, whatever you call those, these little things could go with it. It worked okay-ish, but pleather is just really hard to work with, and in the last video. I feel like you can kind of see it, but you can't really see it. I don't know. The pleather, I don't even know what to do with it anymore because it's so annoying to work with now. But if I ever do figure out how to really work with pleather, I'll let y'all know. I was thinking I could see how it does with tape. Like if I put this tape at the bottom of it, I wonder if it would work better. Let me try that real quick. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That's all I had to do. So, to work with pleather, add tape. Specifically, I guess, painter's tape to the bottom, and it will go on a lot smoother. Now I really want to do this pleather thing again. We're going to redo the pleather, but we're going to just do it fast and then do the jeans. That's how this video is going to go. Lord have mercy. Okay, I'm probably having way too much fun with the pleather. I made this dress. To me, it's probably not flattering, but I do not have a butt to begin with. I do not have very much, I want to say I don't have very much curves, but like, I don't know. My husband says I have curves. But yeah, I love this. The top is a little, I've learned, okay, so pleather, you kind of have to stretch it out. Because like right here, I stretched out the fabric when I was sewing, and it's questionable still, but you do have to stretch it out for it to like lay flat, or else it'll start buckling. Like right in here, it started buckling. And yeah, the skirt, I winged it. I sat down, you know, I did some things. Did a lot of things. So yeah, this is a 2-piece. It's not connected. I wanted to be able to wear and be a nice date night look, I guess. It might be a little risque to some people, but I like it. It's a nice date night outfit. Or, you know, date night outfit and you tell your husband, look, I got something underneath. Or you just, you know, now that the date's over and we're in bed, bam! Who knows? Who knows? In some clubs, you know, I would probably wear this to a club. I don't know. Maybe not with... I feel like I would, you know, I don't know. I wouldn't feel that confident wearing it to a club. But I do like it. I like that I made this. Now, would I wear this out and about? Probably not. I don't know what I would wear this outfit to be honest. But I made it. I'm proud of it. And, hold on. Oh, that's my robe. Let me get some leggings. So I didn't show the leggings, or with the leggings in the last video, but this is what it looks like with the leggings. So, bam. Bam. WandaVision. Mostly Wanda. Vision is the other guy, but... And the last one, I've been putting boning in this part, but I don't think that needs boning at all. The boning just needs to go out to the sides. I don't know if you could really tell in the detail, but I like how the boning goes out like this. Now, since we're done with the pleather, I think I'm pleathered out, we're going to finally do the blue jean. We're gonna make a Canadian tuxedo. So, let's do that.